Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore how opportunity management works in Axelor. From the CRM, you can track all your sales opportunities. These opportunities can be viewed in either Kanban view or list view. From the Kanban view, you can quickly see all ongoing opportunities based on their status, and you can easily move them from one stage to another with a simple drag and drop. All of these statuses are fully customizable, allowing you to build a sales pipeline tailored to your business. Each opportunity includes various pieces of information, including scoring. Scoring allows you to assign a rating to the opportunity. This helps sales teams quickly identify the most promising and relevant opportunities and accurately track the pipeline by focusing on those most likely to lead to a signed contract. Additional information is also available, such as the opportunity's origin, the expected revenue, and all events related to the opportunity, whether they are calls or customer meetings. All these events can then be synchronized with your calendar, whether you use Outlook or Google Calendar. An opportunity has a status and follows a workflow with different stages. You can also create quotes and orders directly from the opportunity. In the end, an opportunity is either won or lost. To indicate that an opportunity has been won, simply click Closed Won in the workflow, and the opportunity will be marked as won.